Easy game object selection is always an issue. You maybe use Unity default game object icon, but this doesn't work on inactive game objects. So Selection Gizmo is a very better solution. By this tool, you can create Gizmo for inactive and active game objects to select them easy or toggle them fast on the scene. Opposite of Unity default icon system, Selection Gizmo works great with inactive game objects. So you can see where you have inactive game objects in the scene, even when they are inactive. So you don't need to find them in a line hierarchy. You can have different lists in every scene. This tool saves your selection list in every different scene. You just load them by a click. You can control your Selection Gizmos list, select or toggle game objects by buttons, or remove a game object from your selection list. Make it easy with our tool.